Our math message today is about number stories. Trung had $15 in his piggy bank. He earned money by walking his neighbor's dog for 2 weeks. Now he has 60 in his bank. How much money did he earn? So today we're thinking about money. And what do we know? We know that Trung had $15. So I'm going to write over here um, 15 because that is what we know he had. He had $15 to begin with, but then he walked somebody's dog. And now we know that he has now got a lot more money. He doesn't have 15 anymore. What does he have? He has $60. So the question is, how much money did he earn from walking that dog? That is our question. And there's several ways to look at this. One thing, everyday math is not about just getting the answer. It's about how you get the answer. And does your answer make sense? So first of all, we have to think he had $15 to begin with. So then we know that our answer is going to be more than $15. And we know that he got $60 at the end. So we know our answer is not going to be higher than $60. So if our answer makes sense, it's going to be between 15 and 60. Somewhere in there is our answer. But how do we get our answer? Well, let's think about it. There's several ways that we can look at this. First of all, I'm going to start typing here. We know that he had $15. And now we're going to add, oops, sorry, add. We don't know how much we're adding. We're adding something, and it's going to equal $60 at the end. So we can think about, how much money is he going to have to add to get to $60? Or we could think, subtraction is a fact family for addition. Here's an addition problem. So why don't we do subtracting? Because we want to know the difference between 60 and 15. What's the difference? Whenever we want to know the difference, we subtract. So we could think 60 minus 15 equals what? That's another way we could think about it. So which one would you like to use? You can use either way to get to the answer. For me, I think going up and down is easier. You can go sideways, but up and down is easier. So I'm going to do 60. Oh, I'm going to have to draw here. Sorry. 60, and it's going to be big because it's hard to maneuver this. But 60 minus 15. All right. Now let's think about this for a minute. When we subtract, the number on the top needs to be bigger, and this number is smaller than that one. So we're going to have to borrow from the neighbor. So we're going to go over here to the neighbor, cross out the 6, and borrow and make it a 5. And we're going to bring the 1 over here, and that's going to make this a 10 now. Now this is bigger at the top. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, is 45 between 15 and 60? Would that make sense? Yes, I think 45 is more than 15 and it's less than 60. So that would make sense. But let's try out another way to just check our answer. We can take 45 and we could add 15. We're going to add this time because remember, subtraction and addition are fact families. So we're going to add this time. There's my plus sign. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And so then we get a 6, and there it is, 60 is exactly what he had at the end. So our answer is, how much money did he get? $45. That is the answer.